Today we're gonna make Kharvas. Let's go! Disclaimer. Things you'll need: coconut milk, colostrum milk, jaggery, turmeric, cumin seeds, and turmeric leaf. The ratio of the milks determine the thickness of the pudding. Here I used 1:1. Mix all the ingredients except the turmeric leaf. Next step is to steam the pudding. I'm using a steel container which is going to go in the pressure cooker. Just place the turmeric leaf in the bowl and that's it. Make sure you have enough water and a rack right beneath the container and let's steam it. I'm not putting any whistle on it, it's just going to be steaming for about 15 minutes. The cooking process is complete.
Thanks for watching. If you like this, check out my other videos. Subscribe for more.